This is it, all washed and taken apart. All you do is rinse it with water. You don't have to put soap or anything because we deep clean it every once in a while. So all you do is fill this part up with water. You're gonna get the water from the fridge. We have a filter, and we'll fill it up. So there'll be water in here. Just fill it up. Okay. Now you put this part on first. Just push it on. And you put this part last. Same thing. Just push it on. This is the tricky part. You don't want to make a big mess. You just... Oh, we'll do it over here. Because if you flip it, like, sometimes the water comes out. You want to be very careful. Okay. So I'm going to flip it. Oh, and water came out. So just be careful. Not that much came out. And that's how you change your water. Ta-da! Nice and clean.